And you know what? I am happy. And actually, I get to ask him the question. I get to ask my husband sitting over there, are you happy? Because if you're happy like Greg, that you don't look happy, you're tired, that there's one thing you've never before. Be careful. Okay, I was going to say be careful. Stay over there.